What's up, sweaties? How you guys doing? Hope you guys having a fantastic day. Welcome. Today, we're gonna be getting into some S&Box. Because it's a SNDGD, which is where we get into different games throughout the stream and an event. We got Cyberpunk 2077. So let's begin our journey today, so we can hop on in to some nice games that will lead us right into the event game for today. Let's go. Also, did you guys catch it? Oh. Boom. And boom. Of course. We got a nice little clip uploaded today, which is from none other than S&Box. S&Box Ragdoll Skater. Which is how you have to do the titles of that. Like, technically, right? Because it's like we're in the sandbox, which it's in the sandbox only. It's not just like in... Or it's... Well, not yet, at least. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not yet. But here very soon, I think probably on launch, people can start uploading their games. Or, well, you can export. Actually, no, I think they just did that. No, I think they just did that, actually. Well, they updated it, for sure, because you can only... which is such an interesting thing. We'll see how that goes over time, of course. For me, it's not a big deal. Very interesting. Up and coming. How do they dictate this? I wonder. I hope that they continue modifying this. Something that could help. If they do... Oh, maybe that's what they do. But then how do you do that, though? How do you get categorized in that category? Yeah. I was just thinking, well, if S&Box... I was just thinking about it too. Man, it really is Face Punch's fault for not locking in sooner, because they're like, yeah, we're not going to make Garry's Mod 2. We'd leave that in the past. 5 months ago, okay, we're actually making Garry's Mod 2, and it's called S&Box. So they have no server list, but the thing is, this is kind of like the server list, but it's games, which is not actually good for Garry's Mod related game modes. So I was like, oh, maybe they put a list here, but then how do you get categorized in that? There would have to be like a poll, or like the official S&Box has to pull those guys into that category. Or they allow us to have our own category, like, that would be the awesome thing, where we can categorize our own game in one of these type of categories. But the thing is, like, then you can have some really insane names, but then just do filters. But then you're still going to have really insane names sometimes, and people are going to be putting it under there. So they're probably not going to do that for that reason alone. Even though that they could easily moderate it, because you just pay someone, you know, to get on, look at the list, or look at newly created lists, because they definitely have some back-end stuff that to be like, oh yeah, this guy made this list, so ban him off the S&Box platform. He can never make one again, buy it again. And hit him with an IP hardware ban, so he has to go through all those loops, which makes their system more laggy, so make them have a more terrible experience if they do go through all those loops, which anyone can. So that's gonna be super interesting. But regardless of that, the thing that could fix that is, which man, they're definitely going to do, which is they're going to put that Garry's Mod server list in here. And if they don't, that's going to be very fascinating and unfortunate. I think eventually they will. Like 4 years from now, if they really don't for a bit, it's probably going to be like 4 years from now. Which then everybody's like games and frameworks, everybody's going to have to update them in this. Which would work, and then servers would be like popping in that way. Like for example, well, you see Prop Hunt here because it's like one of the few ones right now, but we're about to see a buttload more games, more browser type games, and actually more big boy games, right? So you're not going to see Prop Hunt. You're not going to see those. No one's playing it because that's kind of like a seasonal type thing. And there will be some people playing it, but let's just say there is a constant 20 people playing it, but all these games are going to have hundreds of people. That's way different. And so you're never going to see that. Then you're most likely, and then the crazy thing is you can't search up like DarkRP because it doesn't show that no one's playing on it. You got to press enter to see the actual DarkRP mode. Or anything like that, so then be murder game mode. Oh, there's SM murder. I think that was the original one? Or was this the original one? And then you got your TTT. No one playing it, but there it is right here. So they need to fix that, where it's like, okay, take that game and put it in its own category, like Garry's Mod like modes or something like that. Then that would be actually really sick. But it's also the same problem for any other game. But for any game on like platforms like this. I kind of want to try this, but it's got a very low rating. That's crazy. I still want to try it though. What is the other one that I want to try? But yo, shout out to the Sweaties. Welcoming to the Sweat Lounge. Fresh jam, fresh goods, get the food and drinks. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Yo, welcome all in, sweaty lurkers, viewers, VOD watchers. Welcome, welcome. We going. Having some fun. As we do normally, we start off by testing out the new games. Oh, that's right, I did favorite it, or what did I do? Yeah. It's super cool. Oh, I wanted to try that one. That's right. I wanted to see this. Surf map? Interesting. That's a dude testing stuff. I can't see the other achievements. I want to try this. Let's go, because I've been eyeing this like, oh, we got another type of legacy type of stuff. How does it feel? A more, like, browser game. Like, this ain't the official. But it's someone making it and putting a lot of effort into it, and doing so, how close can you actually get? And that's with like all the modes, but yo, this is awesome, let's go. And I do see that, well, it's gonna pop again, but with the DXRP stuff. Guaranteed they're going to get a lot of people. But everybody's going to see that they don't actually do what they should be doing. Like a normal DarkRP player will not like their server. Hence, their bad ratings, bad reviews, and people leave. The only people that play that is builders. So if you know, like, in Garry's Mod, the cinema servers, of course always could be full because the people inside spent hundreds of dollars on like the microtransactions, so of course they're gonna stay there in that community. In this equivalent, it is the you're kind of like not the only one, but you got to be builder and builder plus plus have the wire mod. So it's like the wire mod servers, which not too many people actually like. That's why it wasn't too common when you actually play Garry's Mod servers. DarkRP. Frame rate gain. Why is that super high? Safe. I've also been noticing I'm having this like a little frame thing. I don't know. Whatever. Great. For this? What does that say? Because it... Can I actually create one? Oh, they don't have the option on the game, but they have the option in here to create it? Like a little mini server? Yeah, these are like the pseudo servers. The actual dedicated servers are not... Well, they are out. You can do your... Anyone can make a dedicated server on anything. Like, legitimately. But the actual stuff that is going to be easy to buy isn't out yet. The stuff, like, where you go get your Minecraft stuff and everything. It literally is going to be on the same websites. It's already there, if you go look it up. But it's just not available yet. Surf? B-Hop? Oh! Got B-Hop? Oh, sick! It's the Surf M B-Hop. Oh, that one. Hey, let's go. Oh, snap. Boom, boom. Record your run and upload to YouTube or Discord. Hey, cool. Is this where we go? Oh, it is. I thought this was a painting. Yo, I thought, dude, that looked like a painting. Alright, here we go. How does the... I've only played these a little bit, so I'm not good. Oh. How you do it? Hold up, I gotta go with it. How you do it? Oh, that's it. Oh, cool. It looks like it does have the actual speed thing. How do you do it? Dude, people are crazy with this. I might have to pick a different map. It's way too hard. Or am I, like... Am I really supposed to go there? Where am I supposed to go after? Wait, now I'm looking at it. I'm supposed to... Am I supposed to go a different way? No, I'm supposed to go and swing up over? Holy crap. Oh, I almost got it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, this feels a little different from... Well, I haven't played so... Oh, there we go. Okay, okay. I haven't played, Source 2 Surf, but I played the original Source 1. A little bit, like, a few hours. Nothing too crazy. And then Garry's Mod variants. This does feel different. Crap, I had it where I was like... No! I had it, like, for a second. Good. No! Wait, this is awesome. I like how tricky it is. No. I gotta, like, go down and up. I feel like it's harder to do in this version, though. Like, you just slide right off versus kind of, like, gliding forward. Oh, there we go. So it seems like I gotta aim more middle up. Oh. Yep. Okay. Okay, okay. What a crazy first level, like, default. Oh, no. Go up, swing. Oh, I jumped far. Yeah, that was far. I could get more if I wanted to. Oh, no. It is a little... I don't know. Is it a little too crazy? Can you really go that fast in the other ones? I haven't played that much. This might just be a crazy level. Is there a way to change levels? Settings? No. Customize? Title? Name tag? Shop? Prototype point shop. It really is like a point shop. That's kind of funny. Oh. No. Oh. No, that was it. That was it. That was it. I got 12% there. No, that was it. I go top, down. Oh, no. Top, down, up. I feel like it's way faster, though. Like, double, or I don't know, like 1.5 to almost 1.7. Like, the slip speed? But maybe it's because I'm just not hitting the angle right. Probably is. Oh. I get to go up there. I almost had it earlier, too. Crap. I can see why only a few people have completed this. I think it is harder. Oh, that was good. So go out, that little fling at the... Oh, that was poop. Close. It's just hard to tell, like, where I'm going. I'm just gonna knife it. Ooh. No. That's gonna be, like, and this is the interesting thing with, like, S&Box, because this could be S&Box, but they didn't lock in on Garry's Mod sooner. And it's like, well, the question, the unfortunate problem is that, I mean, well, it's gonna be weird. It's gonna be such a weird thing. Especially when you're buying add-ons for your servers. Because well, it used to be called script fodder, but everybody kept getting it confused with script folder. Then it became Gmod Store, the add-on or the website we could find all the best paid add-ons in Garry's Mod. And I think there is going to be an equivalent of that website, but that website is going to have all the different games, and they somehow got to update their website on how many, like, what type of game. Or maybe, like, they're going to have to do it where they don't detect it, but they actually, like, you're creating a mod. You can't, the frameworks, that's the biggest problem, and I think that's why there might be a, like, big, if they do it, S&Box really truly becomes Garry's Mod 2 with all the serverless stuff. So you can have your category within your dedicated server within S&Box with all the features and then a framework. But it literally, well, I think the only way you can do it is get the source files, but I can't confirm it because I don't have a proper dedicated server and no one does. Well, they do, but they're like running AWS and all that other stuff right now. It's like, no, I want to just run, give me something basic so I could just see how that is gonna work. Because you can technically target the source file, like a source file, which is new. Oh, yes! Oh, where'd I go? Oh, no! Crap, that was good, that was good. I didn't know where to go next. No, that was good. I think this level is really hard because the texture here is hard to see if you're moving. Like, I'm moving right there. Yeah, 100% this is... You gotta, like, look at the face more so. So it's... it does feel a little bit bootleg. But I think Source 2... I think this is just Source 2, though. I think that's why people... when they're talking about the surfing being, like, broken in CSGO. Like CSGO 2, or Source 2, whatever it's called. Because maybe of this problem, because the detection is very slippery. I remember seeing people, like, they're aiming this way and just doing this type of stuff. But you have to, like, boom. You have to, like, hug it a lot more and look at it. And then swing, and then you can do your stuff. But, yeah, for all the games, you're gonna have to be working on different frameworks. So it's gonna be not good for add-on creators because your framework, literally, you can't be like, well, maybe they could use the same thing. No, they can't. And people can't call API in add-ons, so they gotta get your source code. So if, which, of course, is gonna happen, like, there's gonna be, like, DarkRP frameworks and stuff. and those frameworks are going to that I knew that one was gonna be kind of spicy. The frameworks are going to dang it. Well, if you do your local files, the framework, you just get the source. Well, they open source Sandbox, aka Garry's Mod 2. So theoretically, you can get the source files. Oh, there we go. Oh, not enough spin. You can get the source files, and the source files, they don't say it, which I don't think it works like that, because if you try to get the source files, you can upload the exact code, and you're allowed to. They say you're allowed to. So right now, I can go in, copy and paste, upload, call it a different thing. I can do it. Problem, doesn't update over time. I would have to update it. And not only that, it's technically not the same game. So if you were to make an add-on, well, the code would kind of work, yes. But the, it's technically a separate game. Like, it actually detects it as a separate one. So if you have a dedicated server and you target those files, you technically don't own that game. So it's technically a different game. Will this dedicated server think that it is the same game? They don't say that in the documentation nowhere. They just say you could target the files and that's it. And load custom stuff. But do they describe in detail? No. Not in any detail, unfortunately. So I have no clue and can't figure out what I should do until basically the last second. Which is either really try to make an add-on or put the framework in the actual source files of FacePunch and just update it via that way, or put in my own game and then update it in that. Which that's what I'm going to be kind of doing at the moment, because I can't... I'm starting to think that FacePunch is not going to do the Garry's Mod 2 route and are just going to, like, S&Box is the server list in Garry's Mod, which is going to be sucky for server owners. Which is unfortunate, but, I mean, hey, that's just how it is. I think... And not only that, so, like, okay, that's for Sandbox, so it's like, okay. So then we have these different games. So it's like, okay, then if it's technically a different game, will it actually go in there? And if not, that means it's going to be a server in, like, an empty game. So I think the server is actually not going to launch. Or it's going to give you an error code or something saying error, could not find the actual game in S&Box or something. Because if I do that and I don't upload my files of Garry's Mod 2 and upload it to Sandbox, that I can, if I make a server, it'll go on that one. Like, if I use those, target those files and do the thing, it would target that one, most likely. So that's why I think it will always say, yeah, that's your game. So if you don't publish it, it'd probably be like, error, there is no game. And when you publish it, it'd be like, alright, there is a game. It's that one, but it's not going to go into the Sandbox server. It's going to go into your version, which is a big thing for server owners across any game. And I don't think they're going to let, like, a Tarkov server be allowed in the Sandbox server list. You know, like, if I made a Tarkov game, which there will be in Sandbox, guaranteed, I bet you it's being made right as we speak, they will, like, with the, which is super weird, but, like, on how Sandbox works, but when we talk about an actual Steam game, because the Sandbox, each of the games are in the cloud. That's why this is all like, uh-oh, because it's in the cloud. So when it's local, like on Steam, if they don't do anything unique for their games, like exported S&Box, if it actually is on local, then that wouldn't matter. Which makes me think Garry's Mod 2, aka Sandbox, is going to be released on Steam for money. And we're only going to have a lesser version in S&Box. That's what I fear. But it would be kind of a good call in some ways. Especially for, like, modding, because everybody then can go over there. So regardless, it's like their stuff is going somewhere. If it's open source, why are they locking API? Because it's just the cloud. They don't want people to mess with the API. Which is a valid reason. And that's a problem of having it in the cloud. Is that if you don't have that restricted, someone can easily start hacking in your game. Because they can call your functions. because it's there to call. But, well, yeah, but no, because it's like, well, in other games, this is fun. What different this one? In other games, they kind of have the logic for that. You know, like Unreal Engine. That's a thumbs up. I'll give it, looks promising. Oh, look, I broke the UI again. Haha. The API, so... Well, that's for, like, add-ons. So, without an add-on, you're kind of chilling, but then... We have the problem of... Is a dedicated server actually going to detect that as the actual game or not? No clue. And that would dictate everything. Because that means if I take the source files, do that, or I have to parent the game. So, like, what if my game's parented to S&Box, but I have my game? Where does the server go? I assume it goes to my game. So, because that's like, that's the actual game, not the parented game, the actual game. That's why I assume that's like, yeah, you're probably not going to be able to do too much. I don't know. Like, you have to have the same files. And I assume, because, okay, I bet you it's going to work. I hope. I don't know. It's like, they're not telling us, which is so annoying. Because I don't even think Facepunch really knows what they want. Well, they probably do now, but, like, for the past, like, 5 months to a year. So we really haven't had no, you know, heads up to be like, oh yeah, it definitely will work, iamekaj, because guess what? You copy the files. It doesn't detect the actual company. Because that's how you're, because you gotta assign a, not company, but like a game group to your game when you upload it, so no one can override your game over here. That's the problem. So it's like, well then Facepunch, everybody who's gonna make a Facepunch server is gonna have a Facepunch thing? It's like, no. So it should work. Like, they gotta have that to work. And if not, then what is really the point of targeting your S&Box file? Because it's gonna be targeting a different game. Unless, I don't know. Like, that's why I think it is gonna work. And I probably should be making the framework in S&Box, so then you can make a server here, that's DarkRP, with all the features that get updated easily. And it's in this, and not a different type of thing. Which is a game, which is not bad, but it's like, again, when we have Tarkov, Battlefield, all that plus more, people are playing those. It's not a good server list for that type of stuff. It really isn't. When this really pops off, and it will pop off. It's not like there's always going to be this amount of people. There's no way. There's no way. These games, I was worried that was going to be the problem, but the main thing is the developers. We need games on launch to kind of coax people in to play for a bit while other games are currently being developed. And for the past like 2 weeks or whatnot, all the developers that were developing the games mostly got cut off, so we have to wait and see if they will come back and start doing that stuff. That looks cool. Oh, I wanna... Ooh. Survive at least 5 minutes in survival mode. Destroy a total of 10,000 enemies. Destroy a total of 100,000 enemies. Only 7 people. But like a lot of these games are proper, so then you have more proper games. I want to try this. This looks fun. So it's like crap. But can I really do it? But... Or Facepunch is going to do it, but they, like, their whole mentality was different. So I can't... That's why it's like it's a good 30% chance that they're going to do it, and that it's going to work. But we shall see. What is this? Oh, CPU. Would you like the tutorial? Maybe later. Score as much as you can before it runs out live. You will lose life for hitting an enemy. You'll gain extra lives and bombs starting at 100,000. Whoa. It's like New Game Plus. Collect donuts to increase your score multiplier and build your zone meter. Activate zone meter to increase the fire and activate. Use the bombs when you're in trouble to stop yourself from dying. Machine gun. Ooh, cool grid effect. Oh, I shoot? Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Do I collect? Oh, I do. Okay, here we go. Oh, the points, they go away. Okay. Oh, okay, pause. Okay, hold up. Let me... This is a whole vibe. Like this right here. This could be someone's whole game that they... Oh. Whole game that they play. This. Yeah, I had to feel like, yeah, let's go. The music's like... No! Crap. The music's amazing and everything. What if I want to restart? Restart. Let's go. This is cool. And it's gonna be for free and always for free. And the only problem is that if S&Box updates and the logic that they're using for this breaks, then you can't play the game. Like right now, there's a Doom emulator on S&Box so you can play Doom. When I originally tried to get in, it broke because no. Oh, I thought that was an item you pick up. Restart. Thought it was an item you pick up. I walked right into it. No fair. Restart. For S&Box, it updated. That was in 0.5. I actually saw it in 0.1, and I was like, I'll wait to play that next time I get in. And I tried, and it was broken. But then the dude updated it in 0.8, and I wonder if it still works. Because the main logic that they changed was like core file systems, and oh, that reflects. Do I got meter? Okay, I do. I got. Oh, it's a top. Oh, top right. Oh, weird. Oh, cool, and I can like reflect. Oh. Oh. Go. Oh, I get extra life. I mean, heat seeked. I don't know where to shoot. Give me all points. Like, you can't deny the potential, especially seeing this. Like, look at this. This is in the S&Box, the same game in DarkRP. That's why this is not Roblox. This is... Whoa! Give me all goodies! Give it all! I knew I was gonna get trapped. It was too good to be true. But we go through and get it all. Keep going. Whoa, careful. We got these little snakes after us. Get the goods. Press space. Oh, give me all. This is amazing, yo. This game's fun. Okay. I need to collect the goods though, and they go away really quick. Okay, be careful. Uh-oh, we got crazy heat seekers. I got more lives too. Whoa, we got a black hole. Whoa. What does that mean? Oh, more stuff. Gimme. Uh-oh. Was that a bomb? Uh-oh. No! Wait, we still good? We still good. Okay. Oh. Oh my. I walked right in, I think it was a thing. Yo, it's cool just how much, like, different stuff there is. Like, it just gets more and more icons. Dude, this is brilliant. Oh! Whoa! Oh, almost got hit there. This is brilliantly made. Dude, they don't want me to steal their goodies. They're my goodies, and I'll take all your goodies. Boom. You wanna go crazy? I'll go crazy too. I gotta break it open. Go through. We got... Oh my god, leaves! We got poison ivy in here. Yo, poison ivy's here. We gotta take her out. I'm Batman. My Batman vehicle going through Gotham. Gotham streets. This is tough. This is what Alfred sees when he sees Batman going through the streets. Taking down Poison Ivy and Oliver Ivy. Oh my god. Throw Gotham. Do I get to destroy all of it? Oh my, that's crazy. That's super cool. So if you really gotta get it. Boom. Boom. Gimme. 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 Boom. 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 Beep, 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 beep. Oh my gosh. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Dude, S&Box is gonna be the best game ever, bro. And they're gonna have, no, I thought that was, I keep thinking the blue shapes, I think they're items. I did that 4 times right now. My goodness. It's not even like I miss it. No, I saw it and walked into it. Well, I don't like you. You better stop. Whoa. We got, Naruto in here. Oh, he's throwing Shibudens. Whoa! Oh no. Okay, that time I did do bad. That was my bad that time. The first of I actually died to this stuff without walking in myself. I was gonna survive a little bit more, just a little bit more. Oh my god, Ubisoft's icon. Ubisoft here. Yes, I got it. 5 minutes. Okay, whew. We got it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. This is crazy. It's legit. Oh, in the same engine. Dang, 5 minutes get crazy. Here we go. It's, I don't know what it is. Oh, I should not destroy the Ubisoft symbols. Oh, no. Go all the way through. Gimme. No. Wait, am I supposed to use those? Oh, what is that? What button? Oh, the bomb. I thought the bomb was the space bar. Oh, dude, I could boom, it wipes everybody on the board. Wow. I didn't use that for 5 minutes. Oh. I hope it's good. Dude, it's not gonna be good. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing. Oh. Wait. Oh, you don't get the XP for it. Fair. That's fair. I'm using like a nuke. I don't get the monies. I walked right into it. Ah, GG's. Yo, let's go. That was sick. That was really good. New record. And cooldown. Cooldown mode. Score as many points as you can in 5 minutes. Oh, snap. Cool. Oh, this is pretty neat. Let me see the achievements. This is really neat. Oh, yo, sir, coming to follow. Oh, thank you so much. We'll be joining you soon. Hope you have a great day. Like the icons and everything. Hit 10 enemies with the laser shot, pacifist, survive at least 60 seconds without firing a single shot, a bomb, and no drone. In survival? I want to try a different weapon. I want to try like a laser. Oh, dude, I even use the bombs at all. Alright. I gotta use my Call of Duty Zombies skill. And I gotta survive. Oh my. Oh. No. Okay, this stuff. I get restart. Wait, does survive for 60 seconds mean use your lives? I should have checked. Just wait for it. There's gonna be someone's gonna like import this game as like a little arcade game. And more like DarkRP. No! There was no snakes. I want to see. Okay, so Oh my. Ooh! 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 Oh no! Crap, okay. Dude, this is a real, yeah, this is a full polish game. This is great. This is awesome. It's like I'd say Tetris, but Tetris is super great. You can play that anytime. I feel like this is one of those type of games. Those snakes are the hardest thing. Yo, it's Tron. I'm playing Tron. No! Yes! Boom! Yes! Let's go! Look at that achievement. That achievement barely anyone has. 0%. We just getting 0% achievements in games. Yeah! Bo 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 bo. Yo, let's go! This is sick. Bo 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 bo. Get achievement. Bo 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 bo. Yo, let's go! Yo, this is way better than I ever thought it was gonna be. Holy crap! This is crazy. This is 100% like the renaissance of like new browser games, like proper browser games. Free and paid. There's no paid ones yet because you technically can't make your S&Box platform game paid. I suspect they're going to do that at some point in the future, but maybe not. Right click. Wait. You can get more lives. Okay, the laser is kind of OP because it does pen. 100% zoom max. Let's go. I'm good on no, I have not. I played a lot on Gmod. Oh. Cool. But most of it was at DarkRP. Cool. No. I was gonna see what the ability is. Yo, this is crazy. This is so good. Let's go. We get the achievements. Achieve a score of 100,000 without firing a single shot. What? Set scores on 7 different daily challenges. Oh, that's cool. Complete the elite daily challenge. Activate zone again. Then last 3 seconds. I don't even know how I did that. Destroy a total of 10,000 enemies. That's sick. That's a nice one. Achieve zone. I don't know what that means. Dang, this is actually really fun. I'm kind of just doing a little, you know, we're just taste testing these games, and that's a favorite. We're coming right back to that one. Tense moments and... Oh yeah, hold up, where's my... You hit Marine? Has intense moments and... Addicting, right? Pretty sure that's how you spell it. Yeah. Oh. Hey, when we click back in, let's make it where you click them. Dude, who designs this? Like, they think they're cool by doing that, but they're not. Man, Gary Newman really needs someone like me in this here. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Let's not, hey, let's not kid ourselves on thinking that's a dumb mechanic. It happened earlier, and it happened again outside of the game, so that means it's Sandbox's fault. Pieces of trash. Recommend. This This is amazing. Now I can't spell. Addicting. Really intense moments and really addicting. I will. Boom. Post review. This is really cool. Everything about it is really nice. Yeah, dude, this has a 92 from 32 reviews. It's really great, bro. Oh, there it is. That's Doom. Does it work? I want to see if it works in the latest one. So yeah, when you buy S&Box, you're also, if this works, you're buying Doom. Oh yeah, that's right. Go here. I like that he puts it like old school. That's cool. Yep. Looks like it works. There's enemies here. Yep. Isn't that so crazy? Yours is mine too. Bam, 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 bam. I've never like actually played and beat this because I wouldn't actually play it, and I wouldn't like actually play it, not just like do what I'm doing now, like just like here, let's be a little funny. No, I want to play it here, dude. This is cool. So we're to see emulated games and all that type of crap. Ah, I'm on like the hardest difficulty. What's it? Oh. New game. There we go. Okay, I think that was a bug, unfortunately, but that's alright. Bam, 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 bam. Boom. Gimme. Boom. Oh. Got him. Where'd it go? Bam, bam, bam. Shoot him. Boom. 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 Yeah, this is great. Boom. Boom. I'm going through here. Boom. We need Wolfenstein in here. Boom. Is there? Might be. Boom. That's him, Wolfenstein. Boom. Get me through. Boom. Make that shot back. Boom. Oh, what do you think? Boom, 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 boom. You ready? I'm about to. Oh. Other way? Any key or something, probably? Can I go out there? No. Oh, you can sprint. Did I not get the key? Or get a key? Oh. 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 Oh, secret. I found a secret. Yeah, secret is revealed. This is old school gaming, bro. This is where you gotta figure. Oh. There it is. You gotta figure it out yourself. Wow, the old, wow, I love the old school, dude. It reminds me of, oh, it's so good. Oh, get up, boom, boom, boom. Come here. Ah. Sick. That's sick. That's sick. You know, I'll give it official review. Let's go. That's super cool. That's difficult. What is it? Is it Wolf? How did they? Yeah, it's Wolfenstein. Oh, they don't got that. S in Wolfenstein. Escape from S&Box? Remember that Tarkov thing I was talking about? Wow. Oh, dude, last updated yesterday. It's a prototype. You're so set the moment. That is the thing, it's like, you probably shouldn't be uploading your games like this early on. Well, after the release. It's crazy someone says that, because literally... Oh. Never mind. Again? I've never had this problem. It seems like this might be a... How is the game, like, not properly loading? Also, we need, like, way more stuff here. Like, it shouldn't be... Well, it should be these, like... It should be, This is just, like, rate the game from 0 to 3. Like, give us, you know, 0 to 10. With different icons. Like... You know what you got in doctors? It's like, how, like, what's your pain, you know, the pain scale? What's your pain? And it's got the different faces. That's what they should do. I don't know if he knows this. That's why I will post this review. Because we're in the S&Box development phase still, technically. But when we're out of this, no one should really be uploading their games like this anymore. Because it's now not just a development prototype phase of the platform. This is literally now becoming, these are games. Like, this is a game. And you upload this on Steam, you're crazy. You know what I mean? And this is a Steam. It's called S&Box. It's a platform that holds games. And it's an editor, too. So it looks like, yeah, you got S and Doom. Cool. Asset browser? Carson Thompson. What was this for? Browse? That's a... Oh, that's right, because he made that in, like... Yeah, he made that for, like, the projects. Yeah, so I don't think there is yet. I like how someone was like, yeah, let me hurry up and get Doom in here. I'll be the first guy to get Doom. This is super cool. Like, I want to keep playing. And we got some nice achievements, too. Like, some pretty good ones. And not, like, cheeky achievements as well. We got some, like, you know... For games that have the cheeky achievements... I probably won't play them too much. Cheeky meaning, like, play the game and you get 50 score. It's like, yeah, probably not. Maybe a max up to 15. I had, that one game did 25, but if that's, like, your only achievement in the game, then I think equaling that up to 25, like, if you had multiple achievements, they probably would equal it up to 25. So, if for one achievement, put it to 25. So it's like, okay, that's fine. That's really cool. So that's another thing, too, because achievement hunters, people love to achievement hunt. I do, too. I love that. I watch achievement hunters. I was, like, so invested in that. And still is for, like, achievement hunting. That's why I'm like, oh, it's easy to see achievements. Oh, you know, what's some of the achievements? So I can maybe look to get some of them. And that's super cool. Then you get to level up your guy. Well, I say level up, but, like, you get higher scores so people know it's like, oh, yeah, this guy... He plays. And does it say the reviews still, or did they take that away? Oh, oh wow, wait, 10 hours played. Well, they actually, wait, they show you, wait, that's new. Oh, wow. Is this the guy? This, yo, legit, this is a guy, that I think someone saw. Remember that incident that we had yesterday with the DXRP? This is legit, like, around the hours. Unfortunate. And it's like, yeah, it's not just only mod team. It's their direction on how they're taking the server for people to be like, this is the only DarkRP. When there's a proper, like, framework for people who want the actual DarkRP experience, then, like, I can go in Unreal Engine and make this. But is it really DarkRP if I add the, like, different things? Not really. So, staying true to the essence of DarkRP, that's what I'm doing for my project. And what the other guy is doing, but he's not going to be supporting that for much. Which is slightly a problem. But actually, hold up, let me BRB real quick. Sorry about that, sweaties. I'm back. Let's go. Close this. Now we're ready to get into the editor. The editor. Close this. Awesome. Then I'll continue on this. Boop. Open that up. Boop. S&Box games. Let's go. Let's get in to this. I should have launched it before dipping. Boom. You hit Marine. Oh, step. So, what are we gonna do? Well, what we were doing last time is trying to figure out the UI, but not really that. It's more so how do we replicate? How do we add multiplayer logic to it? How does that stuff work? What does that stuff mean? And that, like, depends. Yeah, because I got this open, the documentation. So I did do some research. I've already researched this like around 5 months ago. Got super exhausted by it. Because action graphs, really. So, what we have here, well, we have well, I did research again today before the stream to prep us for this, really try to get it working. But I first got to figure out a problem that I don't know why it's happening. So I got to figure out that. And also figure out during this process, does this actually work? And that's a whole nother thing. Shall it work? We'll find out. You know what I mean? And then most likely going to have to ship this into different files and reconnect everything, but that's alright. But the big question is, does that even work? Which the action graphs, they don't tell you nothing in documentation. Just like the Lua documentation, they don't tell you crap. They just tell you just like, yeah, you can make a Boolean. It's like, okay, but what can I do with it? Like, this is a Boolean. That's all I'm gonna tell you. That's how I feel. Hey, welcome on in. Yes, and technically this is. And whatnot. But how this will vary in the future, we shall see. But welcome on in. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Where we go first? Well, yeah, why is the replication not starting? Is it starting? I want to see that. So first, let's start. Update on box collider. Why? Which one? Oh. I think that's been... What? What? Eh? What happened to it? It's missing a component. Wait. Did they update the collider? They did. Oh, they did. Within the past 5 months. Oh, the misery. Okay. So, right? Is it this one? I can't remember what I was doing. Oh, what is this? This is one of the first things I tried to make. This being aired is because they updated the components of that. So, what am I doing here? What am I setting? I wish it would tell you the old logic, but it doesn't. Get component play sound. It's my main thing. I'm pretty sure it's my microwave component. Oh, because it is missing. What? I'm in my framework. Wasn't it like the first one? No. Money, but printer. Oh, that's... Why is you missing? How long you been missing? Try to restart it. You shouldn't be missing. Can I even call it? No. Why? Is something bugged in here? Close that for now. Guess we'll see. Put it up. Oh, the misery. So I gotta open this up in here. Yo, low key. Numi needs to watch my streams. He needs to see all these bugs and fix it. Because if I... Well, yeah, definitely me uploading things in. Definitely not gonna get fixed for a while. Alright, so save. Any errors? No. So, what's going on? Why would... Oh, they changed something. How is this even working? I don't know. How did it work before? I think that was a bug. Because this is literally not even a component. But the base entity is, I'm pretty sure, which I inherit off of the base entity. So it should... Why is it not loading my project? Hold up, let me restart it. Let me restart it, because I'm having a problem where I can't even click in. One fix update. Are we oh, we're still in play. Maybe that's why. Oh, that is why. I think. Nope. Doesn't want to call it. Is it because Visual Studio has some background processes, or is this just a new bug since the last update? Looks like new bug. So might as well just open full. In this. Alright, now we're in here. Cool. Now what am I doing? I'm going... Okay, so we got our microwave. Keep it here. Close that. Then we have our base entity. Save. And it is a component. Eh? Eh? I think this might have been like this the whole time. I'm pretty sure because I brought this in a while ago. Let me try to restart. No joke, you'd be like, wait, are you sure? Yeah, actually, that is a fix for bugs. The classic, pull it out, put it back in. It actually is true. I probably should put these things on GitHub, but it's like... It's too much time. But one thing, oh, so because I wanted to see if I could easily fix that. I guess not. I don't know. Because that's a whole, like, why is it even doing that? It was, like, not a problem to even change it. You can see, like, the GitHub thing is, like, 7 months ago. So, like, when I originally adjusted that, that was, like, one of the first things. But 5 months ago is when I stopped working on the project because they broke the action graph. Which made it where you can't visually debug it at all. But now you can. And now it has a nice little, error type of thing when before I didn't. Like on a node. Which is pretty nice. That's how they fixed it. That's how they knew. Because they're like wanted to add that feature and I'm like, wait a second, these things are not actually firing. Made a ticket about it too, but of course they didn't fix it for a while because everybody's spamming all their other tickets. So mine just gets drowned out. Like, arguably more important than theirs. And there's still a bug, but I haven't reported that one yet. But it's been here since the launch of the engine. Let's see if that fixes it. I don't think it will. Oh! Monsieur, there you go. Unplug it. Plug it back in. I don't know. Don't ask me. But that's how I know that it works. Because I have experience in this engine. Or editor. Well, both. Cool. So that's why the microwave was breaking on start. Because for some reason the component died. Nice. Alright. So, fixed it by restarting it. Alright, so that's okay, so that's what I want to see. So I want to see start, boom, here, because what I wanted free, no errors besides whatever it's now it says the operations are canceled. It used to never say that, which is whatever. It's fine. Because it needs a token, and I don't know how to create the tokens, and I don't care. You only see the error when the server stops, so it's like no worries. And when you have a dedicated server, it's not gonna just launch back up that quick. Like, you're not gonna see, like, in the editor, you see the message, most like, unless they keep that, which would be dumb. Unless it hot loads that, and if it does, that'll be kind of annoying. Where, like, it did error, so next time you run the server, it, shows it in the beginning. But if so, it still doesn't matter, technically. Why? Because everybody's gonna be joining your server and joining your game, it's still gonna have to, like, load for, like, a few minutes. It takes, well, it could take up, like, well, it's incredibly fast speeds compared to Gary's mod, but when you just launch a server, everybody's queuing in, so like, even in this, it's going to take a minute for someone on, like, NVMe, like, 30 seconds to, like, a minute. So when they get in, it's still technically, like, when that server is, like, initialized, it started, it's running, even before the owner's gotten in, that little window of time should be enough time. Huh. Did this break? No, Visual Studio did. The window terminated unexpectedly. Reason? Reopen. Reason? Cool. It's probably because I almost just ran out of memory. Or probably did because I also suspect there's a slight memory leak sometimes when you launch this, which I think it might have happened. That's why this ain't reload. We'll see. Taking a little too long. Let's go close. Close. My memory's, like, I got enough. That's why it's like, I think there's a leak. Because it goes boom, like 2 plus or 4 plus gigs, but then it goes back down. It's like a temp bloat. And yeah, looking good. Barely any memory being used. Because my project right now is running at 3.8 gigs. There's barely anything in it. Oh, I want to, like, do I have that map installed? Will it seem like, I don't know. Well, that's a problem. I can't even start it because it is blipping. I'm going to have to restart it again, aren't I? Start dedicated server. Let's see. If this happens again, I might have to, like, quickly do... I have to fix this, though. Dude, that's stupid. What's going on? Is that... They did something recently that's made the memory go crazy. I legit... I'm watching my memory. I'm watching it in Task Manager. But then it goes... And just wipes. Because, like, my programs are using it, so... Let's see what happens. It's probably going to, and if it does... That L. Where I legit can't open another instance right now. For whatever reason. Might have to restart it. This only just started happening. This is not common. This is... I don't know. But I got a feeling it might work. Because now I'm watching the yeah, dude, I think it is memory leaking. I'm watching how the memory, like, increases on this thing. It is... I mean, let's see if it works. It has a high chance of working because I'm watching the memory flowing more normally now. I did get a crash report, and so it's going to send it to him. I knew it would work because I'm watching the memory. Yo, there low-key is a memory leak. Or a memory... I don't know if you call it a leak, but it's a memory... Well, it's technically leaking or something. It's like a bump. Well, I think there is a memory leak in this that does leak over time. No joke. That does get reduced. Like, if you watch your memory, it does increase over time, but it does reduce. So they got some internal memory wiping thing that prevents it from fully getting bad. Because why would that reset? Okay, cool. So, all this so I could see one little simple thing. That's so crazy. Alright, so I do see. So we got fire, we go over here, local name null because of all that stuff. Cool. So I'm in here. Problem is, I can't open... I can't see what, like, on start is. Like, if I go to, this on start. Oh, that's right. I'm pretty sure it does work, but it just triggers. Okay, so I got the menu open. I'm going to close the window and reopen it. Okay. What I'm trying to do now, for those who don't know, I'm trying to start setting up, well, I got UI. The project's 80% done. It's just there's no multiplayer support, and the Q menu and F2 menu is just not there. Like, well, F2 menu, they're actually, or, yeah, F2 menu, so job menu is actually built a bit like the stuff that I would use, but it's not done, and the reason is because I wanted to start trying to learn the replication at that point to do that. So there's other little miscellaneous things, like a variable maybe missing from the game mode type of settings, because I haven't gotten to that point yet, but that stuff is so easy. Legit. It's actually, well, especially for me, I have 12,000 hours in Garry's Mod. Not an exaggeration. And guaranteed 8,000 to maybe even 10,000 of it was straight up in DarkRP. So I know DarkRP like the back of my hand. So I know how, and I've seen it internally, externally, for that amount of hours. I know what, you know, like I can kind of piece it together really easily due to that, so I got an advantage. Oh, I didn't look. Oh, I hit it. That's okay. It didn't work apparently. Alright, so I'm gonna press... What is O again? switch this. That's the slot numbers. That's mouse wheel. Mouse. Where's my attack? Oh, it's right here. Oh, I'm. But what's the? It's P, right? No. Oh. Okay, so I don't think I'm looking at my graph. So I have no clue what's going on. Why would, So I think that's my graph here, unfortunately. So if I press... Yeah, it is. So... How... I get a feeling that I think my logic works, but if you had a local player, it wouldn't work. Because I think the on start is not like starting. Because it's, well, no, it is. Okay, apparently I can see it now. Let's see if it actually is it. No. Even though I just clicked onto this one? Yes. It might be because it's technically me. Like, it's not a separate person. So you wouldn't be able to play local with this bug. It really is. There's no other, like, hits. So, but the thing is, when I do fire... Yeah, so, okay, so right here you see fire on the second. This is... Fire? Oh, wait, hold up. Aren't we supposed to see another one? Oh, no, we do. Yeah, fire and then game mode, because then we have the game mode, so it does the game mode. So it goes past there. We got another info, player list data. Is that it? Yeah, network manager plus data to string. It sets it, and you have that stuff. I think we're seeing that this is a local problem. I thought I had this working before. That's why it's kind of confusing, but it was like 5 months ago, so I'm a little discombobulated. I'm gonna try to open my browser. Let's see if I crash due to memory. Thankfully, I got Opera GX because I can like say if I had Google Chrome, I legit would never be able to open it because it would crash every single time due to that. It just like, hey, let's blow it up to like 10 gigabytes of memory, but it's for a reason. The reason is so you never have like a menu loading or stuff like missing in certain ways that needs to load, so you just click on the tab and it's there. In this one, there's a lot of loading, but I don't give a crap. I don't give a poo-poo. Because I get less, or I get more performance in my stuff, I will take. It's also got a CPU limiter as well. And a network limiter. Okay, so what question, why is my... What is this called? Why is my... Oh no, actually I can't use a browser because it memory broke. Well, my PC gets... those type of crashes, basically my PC crashed. And it's still somehow running. Which doesn't sound healthy, I know, but... I don't want to restart it. So I gotta use my frickin' phone. Because it keeps freezing. Funny enough, I wonder if Google Chrome would work, you know? It probably would. What was the question? Oh. is my what is it? Join via new instance player not having its inputs being detected / fired. I have start action graph that while in it to detect the key presses. For my main, it works, but when I try and join test, no menu opens, and no menu opens. No inputs. Detected even though the on start on the second player works and fires the logs within it. What? Could be wrong. Because I really don't know. It's probably a proxy, not the locally controlled player, and proxy objects are not supposed to read input. Right. The is proxy means this object is being simulated by another client server, and the docs show that the pattern if proxy returned before checking. Okay. Let's take an issue, so. Man, the docs show input being read on okay, perfect, not as it won't start. Okay, once. It's set up not for continuous checks. Also describe. But it's actually the one. Yeah, okay, so it's because of proxy, right? But the player has a copy of that only exists. Use input on the local control player only. The docs show that the standard pattern check is proxy, then read, press, or down, right, update. If the button press should affect anyone, do this flow. UI sends. So how do I get the proxy to detect the inputs? How do we do that? Do you get to do the owner thing? A proxy is not supposed to process. Right. Right, so what the if you join as a new instance, it's a proxy. How do you make it not a proxy? How do I make it not a proxy to test logic? Needs to be owned by the local client. So when you join in proper. So when the player joins, player network spawn connection the correct way. Active connection player clone prefab. I saw something like that in the DarkRP stuff. So who's a player where they were spawning that, but they were doing it because S&Box does it. Do I join via new instance? Do I not join via new instance? And instead start dedicated server in editor test logic? The issue is each client has one unplayer and everyone else. Proxies? What? When you open new instance, S&Box creates on client owner proxy. What? I don't... What? Oh, command line arguments. Cool. I don't understand. What? This is where we start falling down the rabbit hole. What is... What do we do with this? The short answer, do not make it a proxy. Just put the proxy on a local player that owns it. That's the fix. Yeah, that's actually what we do already. So what are we doing? Is it, like, not replicated properly? It's a network object. When its orphan is destroyed, owner transfer fixed. Where we would want it. But... if proxy don't do it, so wait, really? Wait, so there's no way that runs like that. If so, that's so wild. So what this is saying is... I gotta have a thing that fires on everything, on everybody's logic, and if they're a proxy to that first person, it doesn't fire. Need its owned object. I think this is tripping. Don't I own that object? Like, how do I know if I'm owning an object? It gives me the name, right? How do I know if I own a game object? Do we have, so network ID? How, so... Network, probably owner ID. Well, there's is proxy stuff. The first time seeing this. Is owner, is proxy, owner, assign owner, drop ownership. Oh man. Are we the creator of this game object? But like, I don't understand. Like, okay, it fires, but this is firing. So like, whoa. I need to like create it this way. I'm like, yeah, how do we do this? So like, is proxy. Is this a network proxy? A network proxy is a network object that is not... Dude, these are the only... Dude, these are the only things in this freaking thing that has actual descriptions. Holy crap. This is an object of a network... Is this an object of network proxy? A network proxy is a network object that is not being simulated on the local PC. Huh? Then what does that mean? Wait. I'm getting conflicting information out. This means it's either being owned by no one or it's being simulated by the host or owned by another client. Oh, okay, okay. So never mind. Okay. Is owner, is creator, owner. So this is the ID, owner connection. Fire. Owner. So, I suspect that they're both going to be the same. If not, I'm even more confused. It's the same thing. Right? Local. Okay, it says local. Right. Okay, so if I join a new one... Wait, I was not expecting the word local. So my network thing is local? What does that mean? My get owner, the owner is local. So meaning like me? I don't know. What is local?